Hey folks, Todd here. If you want your truck to be more visible to other drivers, but with a style that helps you to stand out from the rest, take a look at the AeroCab PRO from Husky. The AeroCab PRO is a cab protector that pairs perfectly with a Light Shield Pro hood protector, or they can be installed independently. Constructed from an impact-resistant TPO composite material, it protects the top of your cab from rock chips and other road debris while giving your truck a more aggressive look. It ties into your truck's lighting system to display a bright amber marker light above your cab that not only looks great, but other drivers are more likely to see you. Turning on your headlights or parking lights will initiate an animated starting sequence. Then the 5 marker lights will remain illuminated. And it also serves as a sequential turn signal or hazard lights to enhance the function of your factory equipment. The AeroCab PRO has a straightforward installation with easy wiring and no drilling into your truck. It's proudly made in the USA and backed by a limited lifetime warranty. We ship it for free to the lower 48 states, so if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.